Alright, this is Slog. It's the base. So this is how you want them to be to get them started. Okay, for Grimlock, to remove this back piece, there's a little pin right here. This you pull out. See, and make sure you put it in the right way. This jagged piece is on the outside, if you can see. So you insert it this way with the smooth side. And then you can pull this off and set it to the side. And then next thing you want to do is pull the legs off. And they slide off right here. Alright, so once you get the legs pulled off, you want to position it like this. And then on this arm, there's a screw on the elbow. I'll switch that, just take that out with a little screwdriver. And then you just slide this off. I changed this arm to where you can just slide it on and off. And you're gonna need this to attach the Snarl on this side. So just set that to the side for now. But that's how you want to have Grimlock. Alright, now to join Slog and Grimlock, you want to take this piece and fit it in there. So, and then there's holes right there, and there's holes on the side. You'll see right there. You want to line those up. And once you have it lined up, there's a pin, this little pin that comes with it. You want to stick it through like that. And again, be careful with the electronics, and that's going to secure these guys together so it's not going to fall apart. And then you can just bring this longer skirt piece down to flow with Slogs. And then what you want to do now, then you want to bring this piece up and then rotate this up and then fit the head, the dino head, kind of inside this bucket, and then it'll like that. You want to kind of tuck the head down in there to where it kind of stays. And then this why I made this piece right here a hinge, so it's not sticking out. You can kind of tuck it down out of the way. Alright, now you want to have it like this, and you want to put these kind of around the little nubs right there. And then you want to position these arms like this, kind of upside down, so that you can attach the the other figures. And then you want to have these open so you can put the legs on. Alright, for Slug, you can take his tail off, and there's this little pin that just, you push it off, push it through there and take it off. And you can use it if you want, but the tail stays on pretty good without it. You might just have to push it in place or whatever, but you don't really need the pin. But I like to take this off for the combine mode, but you can leave it on if you like it. Like that. This is how you want to position the arms. With this one, you're gonna have the head off, the ball joint, and Snarl. I took these front dino legs off, but that's optional. Have the head down so you can slip the Grimlock arm through. Alright, so to attach this Snarl arm, what you want to do is have the Grimlock arm positioned like this. And then you slip it through the back of here. And you want to kind of line it up to where the fist is inside this groove right here, the fist opening. So just kind of push it in easy like that. If you can see how this fist is lined up in there, and it's kind of in there snugly. See, like the wrist is just like right up under these. See, it's on there snug. So like I was saying, you want to line the elbow back up. See? And then screw it back on. I'm gonna set the camera down and screw it on. Alright. So got it screwed back on. And then you can move this down how you like it, and then just kind of close it a little bit. Alright. And then this head goes into this cup. And then, like I said, once you get it stood up in position, you can reattach these. Alright, now for the other arm, what you want to do is you want to open up the head, and the arm is going to go through here. So, and then the fist is going to kind of hang out in this area. So you just put it on. Like this. So to connect it, have the fist around the mouth like this, and then take this wire and put it underneath the arms, the upper arms. So it's under the upper arms, like that. Let me see it. And then you want to stick it one side through the Grimlock fist opening. See, and tuck this up high over the shoulders so it's not that visible. Like that. And then on the other side, you just want to secure the wires, so twist them together. Make sure the back side is behind the Slug shoulder also. And then you can twist the wires. So it'll be like that. And then you can just tuck the wire out of the way. Alright. And then you have the arm attached, and then you want to fold this Grimlock dinosaur foot forward to match the other side. First you wanna pull off the tail tip and just set that aside. And then this is how you want him to be. This is the front. Alright, for Scorn, you want to just slide this top of the tail off and have Scorn set up. Now you just onto the legs. And you can put whichever leg on either side. I like Slash on this side and Scorn on his right side. So to get to that, you just lift this up and then you slide it onto there. And don't push this foot back about that far. And be gentle and slide it down. You don't have to slide it down all the way. Only slide it down about that much until it starts to get snug. You want to slide the tail down over the peg very gently, and you can see it right there where it attaches to the dinosaur foot the same way as Scorned is. And you only want to push it down until it just starts to get snug. Don't push it down all the way. You see how it's not pushed down all the way? And then just cover it back up, and then you want these knee flaps on Slog to be on the outside, and then I'm gonna stand it up. Alright, now once you stand it up, you can kind of position everything how you need to. Probably have to readjust these, and you can position whatever how you want to. And then you want to spin it around to the back so you can put Strafe in. And this is how you want them. I took the legs off, and that's optional too. I just took it off just to have a cleaner look and have it be less top heavy. You know, you want to have the wings kind of perpendicular to or parallel with the heads. Spin the heads around like that, and then you'll see kind of like where these gaps are right there. That's why you want the heads positioned like this, so that you can stick these up. I know it's probably hard to see, but you know, they're the gaps right there and right there. And since these heads are turned like this, they'll stay in there. So you just kind of stick them up in there easy. You don't scratch the paint. I'll put the camera down. See, so you'll push it up in the back like that, and then kind of have the wings as straight this way as possible. And then around the front, you can take the arms and just tuck them wherever you want.